This is a quick overview of the soft glow background art settings available in Squarespace. I'm here in edit mode, and I'm going to select the edit page settings icon and navigate to background. At the time of recording this is on the second row and the second column here, and you'll notice we have 3 presets for the soft glow. I can click any of these and Squarespace will update the background art for me to match the preset. However, all of them are super customizable. No matter which preset you start with, select this icon right here, and this will allow us to change the start and end color, shape, size, motion, and texture. So clicking the circle icon will give you the opportunity to select a color from your palette, or you can select custom and literally grab any color you'd like or type in the hex color code you want to use below. You'll have the same options available for the end color. Clicking that icon, grab something from your palette that's set in your site styles menu, or select a custom color. You can also select invert colors to have it going in the opposite direction, totally up to you. Now after that, we have shape and size, motion, and texture. Selecting shape and size, this will change the size of the radius for this glow. We have small, medium, and large. We'll also change the radial position on the X and Y axis. This is improperly labeled at the time of recording this, but this will be the Y axis, and I'm sure they'll fix this by the time I publish it. So just assume that's been updated, but you can manually adjust these yourself, moving those sliders, and you can select small, medium, or large here, or click these 3 dots to set a custom size for your very own. Now scrolling down, we also have the option to adjust the motion. If you select follow cursor, it will have the animation respond to where the cursor is over the page section, and you can also adjust the follow speed. I'm going to toggle that off because I personally don't like that style. All right, let's click into texture here. This is how we can actually change the distortion. We have presets for low and high. We've got low there and high there, and you'll notice we don't have a lot of options under that because we're using a preset for distortion. The noise is how pixelated it is. We can have that set to high so it looks really grainy, low, or off if you just want it to be smooth, or you can select those 3 dots and adjust it yourself. Here you can adjust the animation of the noise, the intensity, and the scale. Let's go ahead and select animate, and we'll pull up the intensity and we'll pull up the scale so you can see what we're talking about with those pixelated settings, all completely manually adjustable. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off. Now for distortion, clicking these 3 dots will give us the opportunity to adjust the complexity, direction, intensity, speed, seed, and smoothness, as well as morph speed. So many options. Explore those styles until it looks perfect for your own site. You also have one last option here, and that's randomize. If you select randomize, Squarespace will update all of the content in there to create a random pattern for you. Kind of gives a lot more flexibility to what Squarespace wants to create, and then click through any of those options to manually adjust them after you've selected randomize. Now let me show you how I got to that menu one last time. I'm going to click on this icon right here, select background, and this is our second row, second column option. You can grab one of these presets down here, or you can select this icon right here, and this will allow you to edit it yourself. Clicking these circles, you can change the color to one from your palette or a custom color. You can invert the colors, change up the size and shape, change up the motion to have it follow the cursor as they react or move their cursor over the page section, or change up the texture for the section, either distorting it, adjusting all of this manually, or turning the noise off, low, high. Lots of different options there. Definitely explore those menus for the soft glow. It doesn't just have to be a radial gradient if you don't want it to be. Plenty of options to play around with. Whatever you do, just make sure you select save on the top left-hand side when you're done, and you'll be good to go. To learn more about background art in Squarespace, be sure to visit insidethesquare.co/background art.